Hello everyone, it's Cash here. Welcome to my live stream. It's pretty late at night for me right now. But I am live right now. We're going to be creating pretty much just a login form. I'm going to leave chat running. Hello everyone. And I'm just checking that chat's working and all that. Let's go ahead and check out my live. And I can see chat right here. Okay, great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start working on everything. So yeah, all right, let's get started. So I'm just gonna create a UI first of all, screen UI. We're going to call this login form, and this is just going to be a basic frame, but it's going to be an admin login form. So it's going to be really secure where nobody else can get in but the admins. And the way I'm going to make it so secure is I'm going to use remote functions, and it's not that advanced, but it's more advanced than most people do. Now the most advanced I could think of would be like an obfuscated HTML hyperlink that leads to a Discord server where it's like the FBI or something like that, but I'm not trying to do that right now. So we're gonna call this form, and just going to customize it decent amount. Not going to spend hours customizing it, but you know what I mean. Login, admin console, or admin login. And we're going to change background transparency to 0, make that 2. Alright. So we're gonna change this to source sans bold. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with source sans light. If you guys didn't know, this is my favorite font to use for like all my stuff. And we're gonna call this title. Let's check something. See if the size is, yep. Alright, I'm good on that. Then we're just going to need a UI list layout, and UI list layout. We're gonna need a frame right here. Okay. And just scale that up. We're gonna call this inputs. And these are both gonna be text boxes with UI list layouts. So we don't have to just keep putting them in. Also, I don't know why I'm talking so quiet. My door is shut right now, and I'm like the only person in my house that can hear me, so we're just gonna talk a little bit louder for you guys. Alright, so anyways, what we're gonna do is we're going to make a login, as I said, and this is going to be the username right here, and this is gonna be the password. So I'm gonna just change this right here to source sans, doesn't matter. Make both text scaled. And then I'm gonna add on both of these. Go to my plugins. I'm going to go to auto scale light and add some text constraints. I'm going to make those 30. I think that would look pretty cool. Okay, this one will be called using input password input, and just stretch them out like that. That looks pretty good. And I'm also going to scale them down a little bit. Alright. And I think this should be better at 10. We'll also make this in the center. Wow, that looks pretty good. Then like right here. Okay, this is starting to look good now. And then I also need to go ahead and scale these. Perfect. And placeholder text, username, and also password. Got a message on Discord. Let's check chat. Hey, Snipe the Hype. What's up, bro? What's good, Phoenix Boss? Alright, let's make the source sans. That looks pretty good. And now we just need a button. So the way I'm going to do that is that'll just be an extra. So it's going to be like down here, and this will be called login. And this will be called let's see. This will be called login button. 0 border size pixel. We're going to copy the UI corner. Actually, I think this kind of looks cleaner without one, like down here. I'm gonna scale this down a little bit. There we go. And then we're just going to boom, boom, text scaled, and we'll do source sans light. So it's like cache and then beep, boop, 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 boop. Now, the thing on here though, I want it to kind of be censored. Also, in text box, I want to not clear text on focus. So maybe I could do something on here, like add a font that does it. Maybe. I don't know, I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm thinking what I could do is I could just add image labels. And I could do it like this, which is like dot 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 for however many characters. And I guess that could work, but honestly what I'm gonna do instead is I'm just gonna change the text color to white. So now whenever you type it's like, and yeah, you can't really see it. Alright, and I think in the login I'm just gonna change that back to source sans. And this looks pretty cool. Also login button, let's make that 3. Actually 4, we'll do 4. Okay, so now you can just click it, you can log in. Now I also need to make it so you can actually, we're gonna make some UI effects also, but let's make sure it scales on all devices correctly, and we can tell it does. except I want the form to kind of be constrained, so we can always keep this aspect ratio. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, and height. We want to keep the height, not the width. Okay, so now that we have this admin login, we need a way to open it. So we're just going to create a local script and call this manage. Local GUI equals script.parent, local player equals game.players.localPlayer, and then we can do local UIS equals game get service, user input service, function open GUI equal, we can do input, also is typing. If is typing, or if not is typing, then we'll do GUI.enabled equals not GUI.enabled. And then we'll do if input dot keycode is equal to, we'll do F9, then boom. Now F9 is going to actually mess it up, so I'm not going to do that, but I need to do enum.keycode dot, and what about F10? Would F10 work? I think it would, yeah. Let's try that. Oh, actually, I forgot to do something. UIS.input began connect open GUI. And now if we try it, F10 does work. Alright, so we can do like a password or our username. Boop. And it works. Now maybe instead of having it all white, I could do it where it's like just so uncoherently readable, so you can't even read it. How would I do that? Let's see. Text stroke transparency? No, that doesn't really work. It doesn't really matter for now. I'm just gonna keep this like as that, but I'm gonna work on something later for it. And actually, I know what I could do. I could just do a text label, and it could say hidden. Scale this. Boom, boom. Hidden. Tick scaled. And source sans bold. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Now it still looks like there's a border pixel. I think that's from this one. Yeah, they both do. There we go. And I need to make this a lot brighter, like this much. Hidden. And then this will be called hide password. So it won't be visible until like the actual thing. So then we can add some variables for the actual form. So local form equals GUI.form. Local inputs equals form.inputs. Local username input equals inputs. Username input. local password input equals inputs dot password input. Local login button equals form dot login button. And then we can also do function, and this will be login. Local success equals game.replicate storage dot. This will be called, this remote function called admin panel. And we can do invoke server. And then we'll do username dot text and password input dot text. Okay. And we'll also have a little thing where it says failed or something like that, but not yet. Okay. That looks pretty good. And then to get that, we'll just do login button dot activated connect login. So now it should invoke server, and it does. You just can't really see it yet. Let's check chat. Can you add me to the server and I can build and do funny stuff in the background? I'm waiting for the interesting blah blah blah. Alright, Phoenix Boss. Let me just. Well, I can't really do it because it's not Team Create, but if you want, I'm actually just gonna go to here and I'm gonna do an event. Yep. Live stream. And 8:45. Alright. Start event. Okay, so now the audience can join and see. Nice. I'm also gonna see if I can share my screen. Can I? Doesn't look like I can. Am I able to share my screen? Oh, they can just join my stream. Okay. Well, you guys can join my stream whenever you want. And I'm on here right now. Let's see. Alright. Anyways, let's go back here. We're gonna do. So it connects the login. And we can do print success. Now, it's not going to be anything yet, but we will script that soon. Okay. Now what we're going to do is create a script and serve script service. Call this manage admin panel. Local rep equals game.replicate storage. Local admin panel or admin remote equals rep.admin panel. And then we'll do admin remote dot onServer invoke equals function user pass, and then also player. And for every single, we'll do data in pairs database. Just don't mind that. Alright. Yo, what's up, Phoenix Boss?
Oh, dude.
Yeah, so, he's a robot, but anyways, let's create a database. So, the database is going to be a module script. We're going to call this database.
Yo, what's up, Phoenix Boss?
Yo, bro, can you mute your mic? I'm just gonna mute you for a minute. Anyways, let's go back here. So this will be called data. And this is just going to be like all the data. So we'll do user equals, and you can do a bunch of stuff like this. user equals its own table. So cache equal, or we'll do user ID equals, and then username equals this, password equals this, and then here would be their, like, all their stuff. So this would be their user ID. So this will be like mine, so like 8 whatever. And we could make that a string also, but you wouldn't want to make it a string, so we'll do 8, or like 8 equals that. So user ID equals whatever. Okay. And then we'll also do user ID equals the number. Okay, so that works, and now we have login info 0. So here's like the default one, and then we can just have a comma right here, and then you could insert your own. So then we'll have a function add info. So this is how they save. So user pass ID, or player that. So we're gonna do table.insert, and this is gonna be the thing. So table.insert the data, so it's gonna be it's gonna be login info. Well, actually, I think we have to table.insert, and then the table. I'm not sure. Table.create. Let's see. Okay. Now, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to do, this is the player.user, or we'll do login info dot. Yeah, we'll just do login info. Player.user ID. And pass. Okay, and then now this is just a random table in here. What I need to do is I need to do table.insert into data, and then this. And I think that works, right? And then local module equals require script.database. Okay, and we're also going to do game.players.player added connect function. And we'll do module.log, or let me see. Oh yeah, we'll do and functions. Functions.addInfo and local functions. Equals function. Okay, and then module dot. It's called add info, and this will be the player. player.name. I'm just gonna use player.userid for both. Actually, I'm just gonna do hi as the password. Can I do? It's not working. I don't know what the issue is. Okay, module. It's returning functions. Maybe I just need to copy this data. So functions dot add info equals function. We paste that into the player user pass. And then same thing here. Module dot add info player user pass, and in pairs database. Oh yeah, in pairs module. Yeah. Just in pairs module. Do if data dot user, right? Is that what it is? I think it's data2 is equal to user, then if data3 is equal to pass, then we also wrap this if data1 is equal to player.userid, and then we'd have all this stuff. So I don't think we would need the user ID part, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. And we can do print, actually return success, or return you signed into admin. Okay, and then local user equals player.name, local pass equals player.name also. So we had one issue. Module code did not return exactly one value. Requested module experienced an error while loading. Let me just okay. Exit out of Steam real quick. So we had an issue while loading. Let's read this error. Requested module, blah blah blah. Oh, okay, so we need to do 2 different ones for each one. So I think we could just do this where it's a bindable event, maybe. I'm honestly just gonna delete the database, and I'm just gonna boop and get rid of functions. Function add info, and then data can stay there, but we can do this as data. Database, and then add info. Table.insert database. So now if I sign in as cache the KYT, no. Alright. So return nil. And I think the reason why might have been because of this. We're also going to need a sign up form. I'm just going to get rid of this for now, but we're also going to do some stuff. So if data 2. If data 2 equals to username. And now I'm exiting out of Zoom. Okay. I'm not sure how I'm gonna create this. What if I just do if data dot user name equal to user, and if data dot password is equal to pass. Let's see if this works. So we'll do, well, first of all, we need to go right here and do this. So I'm just gonna honestly get rid of user ID. There's TYT. We'll do cache P. And now when we load in, we can try this out. You signed in an admin, and then we mess it up. Yes, okay. We're getting here. Now, what we gotta do is we gotta go back here. And now the add info still needs a little work, but I think we're gonna get to it. And we can just change that. So, yeah, this is going pretty well now. Yeah, okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and make else return wrong username or password. Okay. And then also right here. Okay, if data that username is equal to user, I think I'm just gonna do wrong password right here. And then also in manage, I'm gonna do if not success, then print bad login. So if I just spam it, bad login, bad login, bad login. And then if I did my actual stuff now, it's not saying bad login. We did need to do else print success, or you log into the admin panel. And we'll return true here. Oh, I just got that. And we'll also do right here, if not success or success is equal to nil. Bad login. Okay, swear to God. Cache P, you logged in the admin panel. Great. And I am about to turn off my notifications right now. This is really annoying. There we go. So now it says I logged in admin panel. Great. Now we also need to hide the password stuff. So local hide password equal to password input dot hide password, and we're gonna do password input dot change connect function. Oh my God, this is really annoying. I'm kind of getting mad right now because this kid won't stop spamming me with invites for when I'm live streaming. But yeah, this is pretty annoying. But anyways, we're gonna do if password input.text is not equal to this, then hide password.visible equals to true, else hide password.visible equals to false. So then we can also just do hi and then hidden hello world, and it works. Now I don't really like the colors of it though, so I'm just gonna adjust that. I think it should be, yeah, just pure white. And what if I just change the transparency a little bit? Would that allow them to see through it, or? Yeah, I think that would work. Okay. Because they can't actually see the full thing. And now if we just turn that off. Oh. And now we can make a bunch of other stuff. So we can do for every single object in pairs form get descendants. If object is a UI or GUI button, then object mouse hover connect function. And we're gonna do object border this right here. We're gonna do border size pixel. So object border size pixel let's see. And we'll also do object.mouse leave connect function. And instead of mouse hover, it should be mouse enter. There we go. That looks pretty cool, except it needs like 2 pixels instead. We could also make it stretch, so I could do like object tween size udem.2.new udem2.new, and we can do copy this stuff. And the size on the X will be like 0.6. I'll change this one to the original, so 0.432. Will that work? Oh, udem2.new. Huh. So, that's pretty weird. Twin size. This is the size. I'm not sure. Yeah, it kind of just fades. I also need to do position to 0.5, 0.5, increment 0.5. Oh, 0.5, 0.5. It's pretty strange. We could change this to... It doesn't even matter. I'm just going to... Okay, I'm also going to get rid of this twin size because I did something. Object dot border size pixel equals to 2. Paste that there. 0. And we also need to turn off auto color. There we go. Perfect. So we do cache the king YT and cache P. Logged into the admin panel. Perfect. Now we need to do it so it actually gets rid of it. So equals and pass, then return true obviously, but function login. Or actually just login and then player. So function login, player, local player GUI equals player.player GUI, local admin panel equals player GUI dot admin panel, or actually login form. I'll just change this to login form. And then we can also do local admin panel equals player GUI, or actually game.server storage dot admin panel. Because we're going to duplicate this, put this in server storage and call it admin panel. And this is how people are going to get the admin panel. And it's pretty much just going to be the same thing, except this one was turn off enabled. Okay. Delete login button. I'm just gonna call this admin panel. Actually, we're gonna keep this back. Get rid of that though. And call this label. Layout order. Actually, I'm gonna make a button. Stretch that. We're just gonna copy the size of this, but then make it a little bit bigger. Band player. Commands. Also, guys, I just found a really good use for a plugin that I've been needing to use. Scrolling frame. I thank God that I actually made this plugin because it helps me so much, and you guys probably don't even know what I'm talking about, but boom, I just did that, and now I delete that original one, and now I literally have the same thing as a scrolling frame. That simple. Now all it is, it's literally just a plugin with literally just converts things to like whatever. So if I delete this button, right, and I add a new button, text button, right, and I want this text box to be exactly, or this to be exactly like that, I select the first one that I want it to be like, and then select the one I want to be like it, and then I press copy, and look, it just copies all the stuff. And thank God I made that plugin because it's so helpful. If you guys want to download it, I might show you guys how to download it. But anyways, the one thing I forgot to do is change the font, but that's okay because it's not that hard to do. My cat's on my desk. Okay, we need to change this to band player. Okay, and then this one, UI text constraint, we can make this 50. Actually, we'll do 40. And I think instead of typing the actual username, I think I'm just gonna make something where you can select it too. So I'm gonna add another button, and just select all this. UI list layout's gonna be the very top. Find player. Choose player. How much is this one? 30. And come here, Toby. My little cat. Come here, buddy. It's a good boy. That's a good kitty cat. Say hi. Say hi to Toby. He's running away. And I'm just gonna lower the the actual thing right here a little bit. So now you're gonna choose your player, and also need to call this band player. This needs to have a scrolling frame. And it's just going to be all the players pretty much. Now sadly, I'm gonna have to change this a little bit. Okay, so close commands. Instead of band player, I can also do like kick player. This will be, the order is gonna be like 4, 2, 3, then 1. Choose player is going to be pretty simple. It's just going to open up another thing. This is going to be called player list, but I need to make this a scrolling frame. And then change this to 2, so I can just easily drag it. And then I need to make this like and this will be sources, text guild, player, and then we can just keep duplicating that over and over. And this right here needs to be and then we also need to make it so it wraps around, but I guess we could do that at end maybe. Let's see. Canvas size. Actually, make this a frame. The size can be 0.20. And okay, that looks good. Okay, now we can get rid of all of them except one. And we can also full direction and center. Start corner. There we go. Now it's starting to look pretty good. And we can make and they can choose any player, so that's pretty cool. Then we're also gonna just get rid of all of this except for this at the top. So just paste that in, and we can do we'll do string value, and then player username. If we can also do we'll have a bunch of different actions, but we'll have a model script in here. And my cat's playing my headset. Hey Toto. Functions. Actually, we'll call this commands. Commands ban equals function. And I think we can do ban. Or, I'm not sure how you're supposed to do it. I think it's function. My cat is just playing on my desk. Commands ban. That works, okay. Hey, what are you doing? My cat's biting on a metal straw. Dang it. Player user, actually, I'm just gonna do local user equals script.parent, or local GUI equals script.parent, local user name equals GUI dot player username. So local player equals username, or game.players, line for shell username dot value. If player, then we're gonna do player kick banned, or you are banned, or you have been banned. And I'm not gonna make a ban system tonight, but I'm gonna make a kick system. Toby, what are you chewing on now? Hey buddy, what are you doing? Toby, don't knock that over. Don't knock it over, buddy. And we're just gonna do player kick. Alright. Now I think we can go to manage admin panel. And we can do login form, destroy, admin panel, dot parent or clone, clone dot parent equals player GUI. So now, let me just do something real quick. Put this in server storage, and we can try this out now to see if it actually works. So if I press F10, we have to log in. Now it doesn't work if I just do a bad login, but if I did cache the king, and I also did the password, I think it was that, bad login again. Yeah, it's another bad login. I forgot what the password was. Here it is. F10. There we go, it did work. Okay, so form is not a valid member. Yes, I know that. Okay, so when you go here, and it's going to be GUI.panel instead. And then instead of inputs, it was commands. And then I'm just going to local panel equals GUI.panel. Local commands equals panel.commands. Local username input equals commands.username input. Value equals GUI.player username. And I'm also going to do clone dot change username dot onServer connect function player and text. I'm going to do function server manage admin panel server manage admin and boom. Okay, and then on server root connect function player and user. So panel dot player username user, and then panel dot fire command dot on server event connect function player and event. Okay, so if event, actually I think I could just do a model script in here. And I could just do panel dot functions, or no, local module. Yeah, I can just do a local module. local module is equal to panel dot functions. Actually, commands. And make sure we do require. Module, and then event. Oh, module. Does that work? Nope, I guess not. Oh, there goes gravity. Equals. Oh yeah. Function commands dot kick. So I guess we'll do modules dot module event. Come here, Roo. That's my cat. And I think this should work, right? Yes, maybe. Now we also need to change, okay, so local choose player equals GUI.choose player. And we're gonna do find player. So local find player equals commands.find player. Find player. Oh yeah, let me check chat. Oh, here we go. Said no one ever until yo, what's up, number 3 pencil, bro? Dang, I got a lot of messages. I did not check. My cat wants out. I'll be right back. Hey guys, wanna go outside? There you go. Go pee pee. Alright, I am back. Hello, what is return? Return is basically just, you just return some info. How I learned a script? Mainly just me. I just learned. Can you make a vid about whenever you clip the weapon it gives it a sound? Yes, I can definitely do that. Number 3 pencil. Awesome. Dang, I need to check chat more. I'm gonna play some music in the background. Thanks for the recommendation. And how long have I been streaming for? Let's see here. I have been streaming for about an hour, maybe? Yeah, like an hour. Let's go ahead and look up free to use music. Oh yeah, NC, no copyright music. NCS. NCS is what it's called. We'll do this one. This is good. Alright guys. You're still here. Nice. Good to know. Okay, so now we got some music playing in the background. I'm pretty sure this isn't copyrighted, right? Yeah, I don't think this is copyright, but here we go. Okay, so find player, we need to all we need to do in find player is whenever it's activated, we connect a function. Alright, then we need to do choose player dot visible equals to not choose player dot visible. So if we go ahead and we log in, F10, and then cache P. Okay, so now if we press choose player, as you can see it works. Looks kind of weird though, I might change it. Might add like a gradient, but for now it's good. I'm gonna let my cat back inside my room, and I'm also gonna use the bathroom. Come on, Red. Come here, kitty cat. Alright, everybody, I am back. Also, I just want to mention, if you guys want to support my Patreon, it's just $5 a month. It helps me out a lot. Now, you don't have to if you don't want to, or if you're broke, but yeah, it would help a lot if anybody could just, go on my Patreon and just sign up. You also get a bunch of benefits. You get, first of all, you get Patreon support on my Discord server, and you have way more rights than anybody else, so basically like you're in China. And there's also, you get to DM me, and I'll pretty much always answer to my Patreon, so if you guys want to do that, go ahead and check it out, patreon.com/cashtheking. And yep. Also, if you guys don't know what I look like already, I did do a face reveal. Here's me a while ago, if I can find it, but yeah, so anyways, let's get back to the video. Or not video, but live stream. What's up, bro? How's it going, Agnia? If that's how you say it. Sorry if I butchered your name right there. Okay, let's see here. Choose player dot visible. Okay, so that we just already made. Now we can do choose player dot actually get children. Well, for index object, player button. Oh, my cat. In pairs, player, choose player, get children, do player button dot, what's this called? What type of player button is this? Oh yeah, player button dot activated connect function, and we can do oh yeah, it's change username fire server player button dot name, or actually dot text, and then I also need to do I'm also gonna do oh yeah, it's already visible, so it doesn't matter. Let's open this bad boy up. Local button equals script.parent. Check chat. IDM for free, play my music, it's not copyright. Bet. I'm not trying to make my, what's it called? Channel not kid friendly anymore, Jeremy. That would be pretty wild, dude. Also, you know, like, listening to words while I script would not really be helpful, but honestly, I love your music, and I do actually play it a lot in my free time. This music is so good. Button clone. This makes me just want to like keep coding a lot. I don't know. Button clone dot parent equals script dot parent. Button clone dot name equals player dot name. Button clone dot text equals player dot name. Okay, so game.players.player moving, connect function player if button for if script.parent for shell player.name, then script.parent player.name destroy. Check chat, check DM, let me check. I found it. I'm gonna try to get like 2 monitors for my computer. That'd be so awesome, just being able to see chat on one. I want like a good streaming setup because I love streaming, but I never have time to. Christmas break, I'd love to stream a lot. activated is not a valid member of UI grid. Avery. Yo, what's up, Eli? Appreciate it, bro. Can you guys not hear the music? Yeah, I got some music on here, but I don't know if it's playing for you guys or not. It's right here. Maybe it's just a little quiet. There we go. Yo, what's up, Robbie? Let me see something. Maybe I need an audio output. Can you guys hear that? Now we're actually getting errors, luckily. Command.name. Yes! Yo, guys, look at this. Sonic the Hedgehog 2, there's no way that's real. Let's check this out, guys.
Quick stretch, little snack, and here we go.
Sonic, I love that you want to help make a difference.
Mind if I drive?
If you're being
Wait a minute. I might get copyright strike for that. Yeah, I'm not gonna play that. Crap. I actually might get copyright strike for that. Yeah, I'm not trying to do that. Okay, anyways, look at this, guys. So if we use our little admin panel that I've been working on, you can't choose a player like that yet, but you can do cache skin YT and we can kick the player or ban the player. Boop. You have been kicked from the game. Nice. Alright, so now to edit that, we just go right here and we can change that, all that stuff. I also need to fix this right here. Let's see. Hmm. Let me change this. If username.input, or no, dot text, I input this. This is pretty cool. Check the comments. Yeah, I can see that message. What if they hack the username and password and ban everybody? Dude, I'm gonna obviously change the password. It's not like... Oh my gosh. Wonder who's all watching. Robbie, I'm trying to script. I can't see chat every 5 seconds. Actually, I have a way that I could see chat. I'm gonna go on my phone and I'm gonna pull up YouTube. I can't test it on you yet. What's up, Eli? I can finally see chat now because I put it up on my phone, guys. Robbie, I'm not adding you to team test. Oh, for real, Eli? Just finished a 3D print for a lightsaber I'm building. What type of lightsaber are you gonna build? Are you gonna build like Darth Vader's, Anakin's, Obi-Wan, Luke, Yoda? Build me a Yoda one because my hands are pretty small. Yeah, I should, but I don't know how. Set a sync. Here it is. Alright, so it banned me. When I get in, is it gonna ban me? Nope. All black like a dark saber? Oh, Obi-Wan's? That's gonna be sick. Good idea, Robbie, but it's not supposed to be like that. Because that wouldn't really just be, that wouldn't be a login panel. That'd just kind of be like, what's the point of logging in, you know? This is supposed to be like an admin login, so like, for like a server side script. So like a virus in a game or something. But you have to pay for it. I mean, yeah, I guess that would work, but I like this better. Well, Well, I don't like it better, but I do like making these. Of course, of course. Yep, I would never. Yo, let's go. It works. Yo, Robbie, look at this, bro. So, I accidentally banned myself from my own game. So I'm gonna have to use data store editor. And I'm gonna have to adjust it. Is there really no band database? Wait, what's it called? So I kind of banned myself. Yeah. I'm trying to, well, that's not the actual data store, it's just the name of the variable. Okay. I'm gonna do band data store, set async. Hopefully unban me. Yo, I'm unbanned, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna publish this to Roblox. Oh my god, that was so much work. Anyways, yeah, Robbie, you can test it with me now. So I made it public, so now just join my game on Roblox. Okay, that would be cool. I don't know how I'd do that, but I could do like band date or something and put like a date. Oh shit, I messed one thing up though. you can never close the actual thing now because I made it so you can't press F10. Join my game, bro. Actually, I'm gonna change something real quick. If key.keycode is equal to enum.keycode dot F10. There we go, I fixed that. And now I'm also gonna add some more databases, so I'm gonna pause the stream. Is it paused? Can you guys still see? Oh yeah, you guys can still see. Is it recording? Damn, it is. So that's gonna be like 5 gigabytes. I am.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Yo, Robbie, join my game, bro. Anyways, guys, that's it for this live stream. And I finished the admin login. I'm gonna add way more to it very soon, probably in tomorrow's live stream since it's Friday. But anyway, guys, I will see you in the next live stream in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.